Alright, making this video going over how I backtest trades because some individuals have been asking help with trading, and I'm just trying to show them like my process when it comes to trading. So yeah, let's get straight into it. We're gonna just do, I don't think I took a trade. I already did a trade Monday for this week. Took a nice little 15-minute inverse variable CISD play on the Monday of right here. And now we're just gonna finish this week out. Okay, let's go do this shit now. Fucking dyed my hair. Shit looks so ass. I miss my highlights, bro. But it is what it is. We fucking ball. So first thing I'm doing is skipping straight to 1 minute before. Is that 3? I don't fucking know. I'm skipping 1 minute right before London Open. Or Asia. What am I saying? Right before New York Stock Exchange Open. And then as soon as I get to 7:29, which is 1 minute before opening in my time zone, I'm going up here and I'm placing, or I'm using the purple line to represent my highs and lows for London session, and then I'm using this pink to represent the lows and highs of Asia's session. Okay, so one thing about my trading is that the trading plan I follow, right? We're looking for accumulation into manipulation into distribution throughout the trading sessions. But right here, we don't really see too much. I mean, this is some consolidation right here. And what really helps me sometimes is just using the line, right? Like, see price here, it didn't really, just kind of consolidate up and down. It's not super clean though, so this is probably a day that maybe I wouldn't want to take a trade on. Because we do have a little bit of news coming out. Yeah, bullshit low key, but if there is news, I'm trying to wait for that news to pass, especially if it's red. Yeah, I'm waiting for the red folder news to pass before I take a trade. But here, what would I see? I see this consolidation. We know it's consolidation because of these thick ass lines and how price doesn't really move. But then we get this draw on liquidity up here, taking out this prominent high, and then also taking out Asia. Well, this already got taken out, but you know, we just take it out again, and then we get this reversal down. So what I'm gonna look for again, or what I look for entry wise, is for us to take out either one of these white lines that I graphed out, or London high, before we continue moving down, because that follows our continuation model. As you can see, we get that consolidation, manipulation down, and then we come up, come back down, and then go. So yeah, going to 1 minute, play it out. We want to look for a decent setup too, like where are we gonna go? But then we just continue down. Another play that could work with this model is that even though like we had this manipulation up here, we could look for a take or a sweep down here. But I highly doubt this would be a day I would want to trade on because we already made such a dramatic move. Let's see what news does. Kind of just makes us stagnate. And then we go more down. We're in a clear downtrend, so right here it'd be very difficult for me to take a long on. However, we do have this area of interest right here. But the only issue with backtesting is that I can't tell if this is S&P divergence because we just have such a strong reaction right here of breaking up. That makes me think about on ES, we went down and cleared out this low. But on NQ, we didn't really do anything here. But I think I could take this. I probably could take this entry. I would not be terribly disappointed on it. I just want to see a clean CISD and breaker structure, or a clean CISD and a risk fair value gap. So I'd wait for this level to get taken out because we have this fair value gap right here. And then if it closes right above here, like that would be a terrible entry for me. However, we just look to continue down. It looks. Just seeing how price reacts here, like, yeah, this would be a no trade day for me because we just have too much of a push. I don't know. You just really don't get a strong entry here, in my opinion, or for my model at least. Like, so a trade that some people could take, but I wouldn't go for personally, is this 5-minute fair value gap fill right here. We fill in this fair value gap on this wick. Probably take it right here, put it at this sweep. You'd probably enter right here after seeing us continue down, and then you would target this low down here. But the IR is 0.8, so it's not even that good. Or you can honestly protect it like right here through the fair value gap on 5-minute, which should be right here. Like this could honestly be a trade you take because we get that manipulation or consolidation, manipulation, and then distribution down. But that's just not my personal type of entry. Actually, it would, but I actually did not notice that earlier. Like this would not be an entry I'm mad about taking, but I'm kind of sleeping. I guess I just did not see it. But oh fuck, I'll just put no trade. Okay, but you can see like these few weeks of backtesting, I've just been green as fuck. So I'm not even too worried about forcing a trade right here, but I do want to give you guys an example of a good trade that I would take. Like would be an ideal, not an ideal day, but it would be a better day for me to take because there's really any news, or there's no red folder news, so there's nothing that's gonna disrupt price action. I don't know. A lot of traders prefer to use news as manipulation or to help the price action, but I prefer cleaner days where there's less news in the market, and I don't know. It just lets me get a better entry and cleaner take profits. How is this video already 7 minutes long? I swear I just started recording. Okay, so once again, skip to right before London. Alright. Right before New York Open. That's our London high. London low. Asia low is actually at Asia Open. Pretty weird. Okay, so what we really have here is another manipulation model, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we played out these highs, and I guess we can only get past this wick, but that is okay. Get this consolidation right here through this price range, manipulate up, take out this high, and then we get that reaction down. So I'll put these white candles here as we look for a continuation down. Go on the 1 minute, you can see how we react off of this wickage right here, and we slowly probably go down. So the issue here is that it's just not clean PA at all. Do we? And then here we'd probably move around my model a little bit because we just took out this London high. I'm not gonna draw it barely, what's the point? But yeah, we just took out the London high. Let's see if we respect this on the, probably do a little 3-minute entry, and then yeah. This is where I would enter, honestly. Like, we get that 3-minute CISD. If I could fucking get that 3-minute inverse fair value gap. take this, press enter right here, target. See, that's the issue, is like the freaking stop loss. Stop loss freaking sucks here. But yeah, this would be a trade I do take, and freaking smash it within like literally 10 minutes. Let's go over what I took here. We get this manipulation up here, right? We get this consolidation throughout London. We take out London opening. We create this high, and then we kind of just consolidate. As you can see right here, we don't really move anywhere. We consolidate, take that shit out, and it should go straight down. This is I think this is a entry, because yeah, list London switching consolidation to a New York reversal, and then we enter through confluence like this. Ignore breaker structure. We replace that with CISD. CISD is just so clean. I freaking love CISD. But yeah, right here. I bet you that like this trade would probably run down to Asia down here. Yeah, literally just run straight down. But I don't like to get greedy with my trades. I like a nice clean 1 RR, approximately around there. You see this 3-minute CRSD, because this is the movement up that closes our sweep. And the 3-minute inverse fair value gap, distributing the fuck out of that, and then just close down here and take our money. So W, this is a manipulation model. Manipulation model on London high. Dude, this entire month I've only taken 1 loss. Wow, crazy work. September 28, 2023. Who the frick is texting me? Oh, shoot. Back to the main priority, guys. You know, other people in your life might be like, oh, let's hang out, let's do this. Fuck them. I tell you, fuck them, bro. Tell them I'm gonna stay home and I'm gonna back test. Because give it or take. Dude, give me. Actually, I don't even like speaking about what I'm gonna, like my goals and like what I'm gonna do for my future, but generally give me like 3 years until, yeah, give me 3 years and like everybody will see. This is 28th? 6, 7, 6. Just do this shit quick, because I'm not even trying to do all this news irrelevant. So there's only yellow folder news, so, or orange folder news, so I'm not even too worried about market getting fucked up here. But this is honestly one of those type of days where I would probably not try to take an entry on, because like, what the fuck is this PA? Dude, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but my mom's fucking snoring in the other room. It's so loud. Wait, which one's lower? I think this one's lower. Okay. Oh, so yeah, this is definitely like one thing that I like about 6:30 like red folder news is, what the fuck is it? Okay, is that we create a strong range like this, and what you'll eventually see, like, and you'll see it, I'll literally speak it into existence, but since we're down here, we're literally gonna spike up to here. We're gonna take this out, and then we're gonna fill down. And I'm telling you, it's gonna it happens every single fucking time. Like, just trust me on this shit, guys. Like, I've been trading for almost, actually not even that long, like maybe 6 or 7 months. Okay, like, fuck, like generally 6 or 7 months. But trust me, like, you see this shit all the time. Fine shit, stop messaging me. I'm on the grind. Okay, but ready? We're gonna go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. So I may or may not have lied, but so once again, I know it's gonna come up here. So what I'm gonna do is, you see how we're in this fair value gap? When you're looking for manipulation, you don't necessarily need to close below a lower high. Like market, remember, market moves towards retracements and market moves towards liquidity. So it could be targeting these lows or highs, or it could be targeting these fair value gaps for retracements. So what I think market is doing here is using this as a retracement opportunity. But I will enter off of this CISD if we close above here, because yeah, and we inverse this 1 minute fair value gap. So yeah, if we do close above right here, that is enough validity for me to enter off of. And we literally do exactly what I say. So I'd probably enter right here. Boom. What do we have? 5 minute CISD. CISD. 5 minute CISD. Put it to 1 minute. Get this little baby dick 1 minute. I'm not gonna label that shit. You can't even fucking see it, but here, I'll like at least have the color and shit. You get this little baby dick fair value, inverse fair value gap, little baby dick inverse fair value gap right here. Fuck. Label it for the love of the game, why not? Literally play it out, and it is taking a while. Wow, are we just jerking my dick here? Wow, we literally are edging me, so we just don't even. Okay, yeah, so this is why you stay in your trades. And like Owen, I'm fucking specifically talking to you because you're probably the only person who's gonna be watching this video. Like, this is why you don't fucking leave your trades early. Like, because with the model I'm teaching you right here, it's so probable that, like, it's the probability of winning is like, if you're like a decent, like, you're not fucking retarded, your win rate should be 70% with the strategy at least. But obviously, like, if I show you right here on my back testing, I'm getting months where I'm getting like 80%. Like, let's go in August. August, I literally had, what's 13 divided by, oh, dude, I can't fucking do math. 13, oh, you can't even see my screen, but here. Take 13 divided by 15. That's like an 87% win rate throughout that month. Like, the win rate is so high that you can't be doubting these trades, because the moment you start doubting these trades, you just fuck up the win rate. So you just have to hold it through. Like, my best advice is that once you enter, literally just fucking get off. Like, get off your computer, leave an auto clicker on, and just let that shit play out. Because as you can see, like, shit literally just plays out. But yeah, this would also be a manipulation model, because we have this consolidation, and then we take out London. Sorry, Mom. I think I just woke her up. Whoopsies. This massive fucking. Move over. You know. And if I hear any fucking bullshitters sit here and say, oh, ICT doesn't work, like, oh, strategy doesn't fucking work, fuck you, kid. Fuck you. I'm literally backtesting this shit in front of your eyes. Like, shit actually works. This is a manipulation play. It's a manipulation model because, I guess it's like, who fucking cares, bro? Like, words are words, bro. Like, but you get what I'm saying, bro. We have consolidation. We're drinking the cock. Manipulation. We're but a fucking nut. And then boom. This is the extension out. Extension out is the jizz going everywhere. So yeah. Like, what is there to prove? I literally just backtested 2 dubs in front of your guys' eyes. I feel like people should know that trading works now by now. Or trading ICT works. I don't know. I'm motherfuckers like, that shit don't work. Like, boy, you just can't trade, bro. Like, you just can't trade. Just say you can't trade. So Friday, 8 a.m. news. We'll definitely play defensively, considering I've been green this entire quote-unquote backtesting week, right? Actually, I've been green this whole fucking month, bro. Don't even play with me, bro. Like, don't fucking play with me. Okay, let's finish this last trade because I'm low-key geeked as fuck, and I need to wake up early tomorrow and get a good trade. So, actually, I'm not trading tomorrow, guys. Let's check. Let's check news tomorrow. Yeah, I'm banging on a fucking trade tomorrow, but I'm not banging on a trade Friday. Fuck CPI. Maybe we'll see PA. We will see PA. Chat. Do I bring back the fucking daily trading videos? I don't know. Because no one fucking watches my shit. Even though I'm a funny guy and I'm super entertaining, like no one fucking watches my bullshit, bro. Like what the fuck? Wait, I can't think. Yeah. Okay. We're good. Drink some water. Chat. How are we feeling about the hair though? I know it's flat and shit because I didn't do it, but I don't think it's that bad. No. I must stay off my phone. One, two, three. So we're kind of fucking diving out of. Have I been taking shorts on the? I don't even know what I've been taking, bro. Like, y'all like, I don't know. People are like daily bias this, daily bias that. Like, this is my daily bias. Like, this is how I fucking do daily bias. I took one long and then I took one short. Okay. Most likely taking a. I don't fucking know. We'll see. We will see. Wait, like I need to stop overcomplicating shit and just fucking finish the goddamn video. Hold on. So what do we have? Let's zoom in a little bit. Oh, brother. We are in such a goddamn uptrend right now that if you see the shit and you're like, let me take shorts, you are stupid. Let me tell you that. You are freaking stupid if you take shorts right here. Like, why would you do this? How do I know we're in short? Or how do I know we're in longs? Or a bullet? Fucking, oh, I can't speak. How do I know that we're going up? Because I don't know. Maybe because we're fucking going up. But no, jokes aside, you see these the respection of these bullish fair value gaps. That's how you know. I mean, like, right? Like we see, I'm not tripping, right? We see that shit, like, zoop, zoop into this fucking fair value gap. Okay. I'm not even gonna label that. That's too much work. But what will I do? Probably put some shit right here. That's gotta be a 3-minute low. Yeah, close enough, buddy. Close enough now. And then we'll put some. Where's the 5-minute? Could probably take on one of these really quick. But anyways, we gotta. Okay, well PA is really weird here, so I might not even. I don't want to take a. Oh, what am I doing, bro? Wait, let's go back to here. So what do we see? We get a fail. Fuck. Dude, like I can't think right now. Okay, so we get a fill on these 5-minute fair value gaps, but we also fucking take out this. Or this is not even a. What am I? Oh, we just clear the liquidity here, right? We just take out these fucking relative lows. Okay, like stop. It's going on 1 minute. See how this looks. Oh, we fucking take out the lows. Oh. Okay, so consolidating a little bit, and then boom, candle dick up. Is that because of the news? Yeah, Chicago PMI. Fucking PMO, because, okay, I gotta stop talking. Let's skip to 8:30, or 8 though, because I don't like taking trades before. So what would I do here? I would not take a trade because we already moved up so much and we don't really get a good setup before. Like this would be a perfect setup here, but I'm not taking a news before red folder, or I'm not taking a trade before red folder news because I'm just not that type of guy. So what do I like? Honestly, for me to enter here, like we need to come down. We need to come down there. Oh shoot, we actually might. Oh shoot. If we respect this level, like that is. Hold on. Let me cook up 5-minute fair value gap. Okay, so we get this 5-minute fair value gap. Dude, this is gonna be a crazy scalp. okay. Why do we just... No, we don't even have to worry about that fair value gap, because what we're actually trying to do is draw back into this 15-minute fair value gap that we're going to respect, right? Yes, and that we definitely respect, and don't fucking... Holy fuck, bro. So what we're going to do here is, now we see that this causes our... We get this inversion of... We got to inverse something here, right? This is a 3-minute... We have this 3-minute inversion fair value gap. Shut up, I know it's not inverted yet, but it's going to invert. It is going to invert. Let's choose it. Let's change it to pink, because pink is a pink type shit. We got this 1 minute CISD. 1 minute CISD. We're gonna drag that shit out so we can see it when I pull up the fat chart. And then we're gonna go back to the... We actually get this 5-minute inverse fair value gap. We get this 5-minute inverse fair value gap. We're gonna dig in my nose a little bit, and then we're gonna enter right here. Stops right here. We're gonna target the top of this wick. Actually, that's a little high, and I'm a little scared of that. We're gonna target... Oh, we can't see. We're gonna target right here on this 1 minute internal high. And we're gonna play that shit out. And oh, I'm getting fucked. I'm getting fucked. I'm getting fucked. I'm getting fucked. And I get absolutely fucked because... Okay, I really don't know why I entered here. Terrible entry. Oh no, we should enter right here, because that should have went up. No, I'm playing. Yeah, so what you gotta understand is that certain days, like 8, I don't really see a setup here. Like, you just don't gotta really get set up here, because it's already so late into the day, and you already have fucking news fucking you up. Like, I'm trying to look for, like, setup around 7, you know what I mean? But sometimes you want to risk it for the biscuit. You see a decent setup, so you might as well fucking try, right, guys? But yeah, we rode this shit for too long. Considering that we already made this crazy move up, it's kind of ambitious to try and look for retracement and continuation through. But yeah. Okay, why is it so fucking black, bro? Like, I can't see my confluences. But yeah, that's the issue, is that the trade here I took here, like, I was low-key just forcing a trade for the love of the game. Like, don't do this shit. Because it's a 1 minute CISD. Like, I'm looking for at least 5 minutes, you know what I mean? Like, if I had a 5-minute CISD, like, I would enter off of that shit. But 5-minute CISD would be right here. So, yeah, this would be a no-trade type of ordeal. But I'll still record it, because a loss is a loss. And you got to be honest with yourself, and you can't fucking lie. So, L. Entered way too late. Yes. Move up and forced my confluences using CISD. See, is it CISD? Knowing damn well I only entered off of 5-minute and 15-minute CISDs, or at least 3 minutes yet. Actual trades. It for the love of the game, because I only took 1 loss this month. So, take this loss, but you know, who fucking cares, bro? Like, no one's gonna be perfect when it comes to trading. So you're gonna take losses eventually. Like, no trading strategy is 100%. Like, you're gonna lose. You gotta get used to it. And sometimes you take a risk and shit doesn't work out. It's alright, bro. You live. You move on. But yeah, that's how I trade. Owen. Yeah, let's close out of this shit. Okay, so now let's calculate. Oh, fuck. Let's calculate my win rate for the month of September 2023. We took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, let me re-fucking count that just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 for 14 trades this month. I wish I recorded my previous trades because now it looks like I'm just fucking. That's an 86% run rate. 80% or 86% win. And you could see, like, dude, it's all the same fucking entries. 5-minute fair value gap. What? 5-minute inverse fair value gap. 5-minute CISD. Just like here. 5-minute inverse fair value gap. 5-minute CISD. Of course, with a sweep close or a liquidity sweep, of course, already opened that one. You could just check it, bro. It's all green, bro. Like, see, like, this shit's just beautiful. Like, look, this is what I'm talking about entry. Like, what I'm saying, you don't relatively, like, need to sweep a high or a low. You could literally take it off of fair value gaps. Like, a retracement off of a fair value gap is good enough confirmation. Look, right here, we have this. This is a pretty neat setup here. We get this manipulation down. 5-minute CISD. See, like, this is similar to the last trade I took, but this one just played out and that one just didn't, I guess. 5-minute inverse fair value gap. Yeah, 1-minute inverse fair value gap. Inverse fair value gap. Enter, boom. Almost get stopped out, but you hit that shit like a champ because you're him. It's all like the same setups, dude. Like, I take the same setups all the time. You just gotta like find the setup that works for you. A win. But yeah, that is my backtesting video. I'm gonna go to bed because it's pushing. It is 1 a.m. and I need to wake up and trade tomorrow. So see ya. Bye bye.